In this topic, we will discuss list methods in Python. List is the most versatile data type available in Python, which can be written as a list of comma-separated values between square brackets. Similar to string indices, the list starts at 0 and lists can be sliced, concatenated using the following operators: concatenation, repetition, membership, and iteration. For example, concatenation. Concatenating a list containing 245 with another list containing 689 would result in a single list with the values 245, 689. Repetition. A list containing learn cards into 2, it result in a list containing learn cards, learn cards. Membership. 5 in a list containing 2, 4 and 5 would result in a true since 5 exists in that list. Iteration. For x in 2, 4, 5, print x would result in 2, 4, 5. Some of the built-in list methods available in Python are len, used to find the total length of the list; cmp, used to compare the elements of both the list; max, used to return item from the list with max value; min, used to return item from the list with the minimum value; list, used to convert a tuple into a list. Python also provides some built-in list manipulation methods, such as list.index, which is used to find the lowest index in the list that object appears; list.count, used to find the count of how many times object occurs in a list; list.append, used to append object to the list; list.extend, used to append the contents of object to the list; list.reverse, used to reverse the objects of list; list.remove, used to remove object from the list; list.insert, used to insert the object into the list at the given index; list.pop, used to remove the last object from the list; list.sort, used to sort the objects of the list.